Kyzgaldak. In 2008, the Kazakhstani director Sergei Dvortsevoy released the drama film Kyzgaldak. The film won many international awards. The story begins with Asa, who lives in the countryside, far away from other cities or towns. He used to be a sailor in the Russian Navy. Now he wants to become a herdsman and marry the only girl in the neighborhood, Kyzgaldak. However, she's not interested because she thinks Asa's ears are too big. But Asa has big dreams and doesn't give up easily. The setting of the film is the Kazakh steppe, and it introduces the audience to the traditions of people in Kazakhstan. What is interesting about the film is that the actors created much of the dialogue while filming. Ashkat Kushin-Shirikov is excellent in the lead role as Asa. The best thing about Kyzgaldak is that you learn about life in rural Kazakhstan. Also, the film has lots of funny moments. Don't miss it. Do you like films like Kyzgaldak? Do you know any other films that show you a different culture? Which other countries would you like to see in films?